All right, in this quick video, I'm going to show you an overview of the Facebook ad platform and just how easy it is just to understand how it's all put together. So let's just jump right into it. So let's get a few pieces of terminology put together and understood before we get a little further along here. So the ads platform is divided into these three things. So a campaign, an ad set, and an ad. So first, the campaign is the overall goal of what you're trying to sell. Typically, you have one campaign per product, and it's just a method of organizing your ad sets. So now we'll go to the next thing. It's an ad set. So the ad set is this great little thing in there that we create inside of the ads platform, and that's where we put how much money we want to spend each day, who we want to see our ad, and there's some other things in there too, and where we want it to show up. Do we want to show up on Instagram? Do we want it to show up on Facebook? So those kinds of things are in the ad set level right here for the ad sets. Now the ad, all that is what your audience will see. So that image or video and your copy, that's the ad level. So real quickly again, the campaign is just a way to organize your ads, and you'll probably end up having, when you're starting to run ads and sell products or sell services or whatever you're selling, you'll have multiple campaigns, and then inside of each campaign you'll very likely have one or more, very likely more ad sets. So you'll have different targeting, things like retargeting. Anyway, then the last piece, again, that's just the ad, is what people see when you actually start spending money on Facebook. So we're going to go right into showing you what this all looks like. So here is one of my ad accounts, and this you can see here, it says campaign. This is just the overview. We're not going to look at that, but you've got a campaign and ad sets and ads. So the Facebook platform, they often roll out new updates and new things in the menu. But one thing that hasn't changed in many, many, many years is these three things: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So if you know the difference between each of those things, you're good forever on Facebook. You'll be able to learn whatever new thing Facebook gives us, as long as you understand the hierarchy of how the whole thing is designed. So in the campaign level, so if I click this right here, it says create campaign. It's really simple. You just click that, and right here it gives us this, it says campaign, ad set, and ad. So it's the same hierarchy. All right. So typically when I'm selling an e-commerce product, and for most other ads I do, I'm almost always picking conversions. Okay. So I'll just pick conversion, and then here we can put a name for that. So let's say I'll just give my name in there. I'll type Frank in there, and I'll click continue. And now this tool actually takes us directly to the ad set. So that's where we put in our daily budget, our targeting, and our placements and things like that. So it tells us all this great information about like how big our audience is and so forth. So first we've got to pick an event. So I want people to buy something, so I'm going to pick a purchase. So there we go. I want people to buy something, so I'm going to pick the objective of purchase. And then I'm going to go down here and say I'm selling something for people that like to go fishing. So I'm going to probably put this to 25 and up. And then I'm going to uncheck that one. We don't need that. And I'll just type fishing in here. Now this is a really simple example, but I want you to just kind of see what it is. I don't want anybody to think that this is a daunting or difficult thing to do. It's actually quite easy. Then for this example, we're just going to leave automatic placements. That will put my ad on Facebook And Instagram, it'll show up on mobile phones. So we'll leave that there. And my budget shows $20 a day. That's just what Facebook puts in by automatic. I could change that to $5, or I could spend $500. Just depends on what I'm doing. So then that's about it. That's about all for this example. It's just want to show you what the really easy part of how easy this is. And then at the ad level, now if I want to sell a product, all I have to do is, now I like video ads. Video ads work really, really good. So I'll just select single video. And in this video, I'm not going to demonstrate the whole setup of the creative. That's for a video all of it on its own. But for this video, I'm just going to see how easy this is. It's all I have to do in here is upload my video, put in the URL where I want, when people click on my ad, where are they going to go? Well, I'm going to send them to the product that I'm selling. I'll put my text in here for just to describe what I'm selling, my headline, my call to action, and so forth. So here we are. We've in just a couple minutes. Now you know how to set up an ad. Now, of course, there's more to it. I just want you to be familiar with what the platform looks like. But each of these pages, there are choices that need to be completed. But you can see this platform is a matter of just filling in some boxes with the correct information. And so let's go back to our screen here. And my last slide here, just to quick explain. So in a campaign, we can have multiple ad sets, like I mentioned at the very beginning. And in each ad set, I can have multiple ads. Now, of course, once you have an ad, you just have one. But this is the basic hierarchy that the whole system is set at. And if you understand these three levels of hierarchy inside of the Facebook ads platform, you're 90% on your way to becoming a master of the platform.